Look at these lines. What do you notice about them? They are parallel. These are called parallel lines. They are the same distance apart, and they will always be the same distance apart. Parallel line segments can be different lengths, but if they continue, they would never cross. And here is the word parallel right up above. We're going to be taking a look at some parallel lines. And we're going to, first of all, take out your paper lesson worksheet 100-2A. And on here, we see some letters of the alphabet. Now, as you see on my paper, I have traced the letters that have parallel lines, but I only traced the parallel lines. And you can see that E, F, H, I, M, N, and Z all have parallel lines. So why don't you go ahead and take the time to do that. Now look at the polygons on the bottom of your paper. What do you notice about them? That's right, they look like our pattern blocks that we used at school. Use a crayon or whatever you have to put a dot inside each polygon to show the color pattern it represents. So I'm going to do that, and I don't have all the colors either. So for this one, that would be a green dot. And the square is orange. The rhombus is blue. Do not have one. Number 4, that should be tan. And then this should be red. And I also do not have one for the hexagons. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have yellow available, I'm going to put a Y for yellow. I'm going to put a T for tan. So you can do the same thing. Okay, so now that we got that done, we're going to let's look at the quadrilaterals first. Which of these polygons are quadrilaterals? If you said 2, 3, 4, and 5, you are correct. You're thinking, well, what is a quadrilateral? Those are polygons that have 4 sides, and these have 4 sides. So I'd like you to point to the quadrilateral that matches the red pattern block. You guys remember what we call that? That is a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel line segments. Okay, so I'd like you to find another pair of parallel line segments and trace them with a blue crayon. Okay, you got it? Maybe you trace this one. Maybe you trace that one. Maybe you trace this one. Okay, awesome job. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the other side. Now, the other side is something for fun, I suppose you could say, because on the other side, as you see, is a picture. All right, and you see it says the word parallelograms. Let's go back to this side. Parallelograms. Does anyone know what a parallelogram is? A parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. 2 pairs of parallel sides. So this one would be a parallelogram. If you think of a rectangle, that would have is a parallelogram. It has two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, so going back to this one, on the other side, we're going to color the parallelograms blue. Okay, so remember, parallelograms have parallel lines on two sides and not just one. And this is just for fun, okay? All right, now for the serious stuff, my friends. You should have with you your written assessment, okay? I'd like you guys to do this. Remember, there are two sides. And this is the homework portion of today's lesson. All right? Okay. Good luck. Make sure you turn this in, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.